Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this dinnerware set for 4, and the brand was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now, obviously, you can see these are in the color of black. They do have some additional colors as well. You're going to have 4 of everything, obviously. So you're going to have 4 of the bowls right here. There you go. That's what the bowls look like. They do have like some nice little stuff here on the outside. So it's not just, plain boring bowls like you see a lot of times. And then I really like these. Lots of times your smaller plates here, I mean, they're just regular plates, but these, obviously, you could see it's almost like it's a big bowl. Has like the large outside there to it also. So that's really cool and unique, something that you don't see on a lot of these sets. And then same thing with your plates here. Your plates also do have a lip on them. So if you're a messy eater like me, you don't have to worry about maybe your food sliding around or anything. Might be great for, some of those messier kids, maybe your kids that are a little bit older and you don't have to worry about dropping these and stuff like that. But overall, I'm really impressed with this. In fact, I might end up keeping these ones and swapping them out with the set that I have already. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice dinnerware set for 4 in multiple different colors, go ahead and check these ones out.